Something that comes up very often in your exam, expected value. So let's see. The expected goals multiplied by G is a method used to measure the probability that a particular type of shot will result in a goal. Okay, during a game, a team had 15 shots on a goal. The statistician gave each shot a probability of resulting in a goal, as shown in the table below. So here we have probability of resulting in a goal, 10%. There is a probability that there will be 6 shots. Okay, we get that. So we have to use this information in the table to work out the expected goals. So basically expected value of the team in this game. That is the expected value of the number of goals that would be scored from these 15 shots. So how do we calculate expected value? We take probability and we multiply, depending on the question, either by euro, very often given to us, or a number. And then plus, and again, probability, multiply by the euro or a number, plus, and so on till we exhaust all of them. So let's see how we apply that here. So this expected goal will equal what? Probability of 10. Now, don't forget we have to change that to a decimal. So probability of 0.1 multiply by the number, which is 6, plus the next one, 20%. So 0.2 multiply by what? 5, plus 0.4 multiply by 3. And the last one is 0.7 multiply by 1. So we take all of that, we put that in the calculator, and we get that the expected goals in this in this situation will be 3.5.